Welcome to another episode of Adventures Over 55 in VR 360. As you're seeing this for the first time, what are we doing today?
Today we're going up the Hudson for 2 hours and we're enjoying some German Oktoberfest fare food while watching the beautiful Hudson River foliage.
Yep, and we're right now down in Lower Manhattan on the seaport, and that's the Manhattan Bridge, and Chinatown's over there, and Brooklyn is over there, and you can see this is the Manhattan. I guess that's Williamsburg, Manhattan Bridge, and that's the Brooklyn Bridge in the distance.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to go say hello to our friends really quick as they buy and hook this up here, okay? Right now we're recording in 360. Okay. See? Now you're looking at them, but this is also looking at us. This is Mike Jackson from Kentucky. Yeah, I've never been privileged to meet you. What's your name? Sheila. I'm Brian. Sheldon pulled the strings to get us up here. Demetra, all right. Brian, McLean, and Esther. But as I was telling Mike, this records in 360, so you can relive it. So when we get going, we'll come back and check in on you. All right?
You guys have seats?
Huh?
We got seats.
Yeah, we'll be over.
When you have time.
Yeah, no, absolutely. I'm doing I do this little travel blog,
Okay.
which you're now part of. And so we're doing an episode of Adventures Over 55. I didn't tell you that.
Oh, believe me, way over.
So I know he's not. You guys aren't over 55, but you know. Actually, you're right.
You good.
Okay, so we're going to. Curtis Institute. Not anybody can get in there. There's no youngins in the Curtis Institute. Okay.
I was actually the second youngest there as far as
Yeah.
Do you like your shoes?
All right. So I'll be back, Mike.
Okay.
All right. We're going to take a walk around the boat and see what we got.
Welcome aboard. Now, just a few little things before I start getting into the commentary. Of course, we have 4 floors, including an upper deck floor, which fits about 44 people, incidentally. We have life jackets on 2 of the 3 floors. So we have life jackets on the 2nd floor and the 1st floor. Okay? Life jackets. 108 life jackets on the 1st floor, 185 life jackets on the 2nd floor. Restrooms are on the 3rd floor. They're all unisex, same gender rooms. There's 8 restrooms on the 3rd floor. We have bartenders at your service on 3 floors, 1, 2, and 3. And of course we have
one spot. So let me give you guys a little heads up. All right, so in the distance there, you can see the Statue of Liberty. And this is obviously the financial district here. This is one of the main areas of the South Street, the Seaport. Obviously, Freedom Tower in the distance. This is Water Street behind all these buildings. You know, a lot of the big insurance companies, law firms, financial houses, they're all down here. But this over here, I believe, is Brooklyn Heights. And as you can see, that's the Brooklyn Bridge. Behind that, the Manhattan Bridge. And behind that's the Williamsburg Bridge. Over there is, straight ahead, is Governor's Island. And you can see these are all these little waterway taxis. In the distance there's the Verrazano. But the thing that they've done is they've hooked up all of these water taxis so you can skip back and forth between Brooklyn, downtown Manhattan, Midtown West, you know, Weehawken, New Jersey, and it's all connected now by water, and it only costs the price of a token. It's like $2.90 to get on the water taxi. Ride all you want. But what a beautiful day to get some 360 footage. Look at this. The distance over there, you see Brooklyn Heights. Yes, that's Red Hook, the Verrazano. There's, I believe that's Staten Island. And Verrazano's there. That's Staten Island, and I guess that's Jersey. Yeah. Kind of cool. We have our own little spot.
Hudson River Cruise.
So what do you think?
I think it's great so far. I think it would be better if the alcohol was included. And the lines weren't so long, there was somewhere to sit. But we make the best of things, don't we?
So what made you choose to do this on a Saturday afternoon?
Well, my friend May suggested it, and I said, I know there's a good fun with that. So we did it. And you know what? What would I be doing anyway?
You might be smashing avocados with your feet for OnlyFans.
OnlyFans. And you can tag me at Cat May. But yeah, I can make you guacamole. I can make you anything you want. I think your camera's the wrong way though.
No, because it's a 360 camera.
Woo-wee.
You see? So we're looking at that at the same time as looking at you.
I'm looking at you.
Everything else.
I'm looking at him.
It's a
I'm looking
360.
at all this beautifulness behind us.
Exactly.
You know what? Get out there and live your life every day, right? We don't know when it's going to be our last. We're not here for a good, long time. What are we here for?
We're here for 90 years.
90 years.
80. Well, I think actually less. I think the life expectancy has gone down.
I think mine has definitely gone down.
Okay.
You know what? I said every morning I wake up and I say, "Whoa, I'm still here." Thank you, Jesus.
Yeah, exactly. You got a lot of to be grateful. All right, you wanna give us your Instagram?
Oh
Oh no.
Well, how was people supposed to tag you?
I don't know. I don't know if they're ready for me yet.
Okay, well, we'll have to...
But you could give your Instagram, and then maybe we can hook up on Instagram.
Bri Program, BRIPROGRAM, or Adventures Over 55.
Ooh, I'm not over 55 yet.
I am.
I hope to.
And
I hope to get there.
I'll tell you, it's not easy getting there, that's for sure. Martin, you look like, I'm guessing, 40...
No, he's younger. He's a
You're even
baby.
younger?
He's
You're robbing the cradle.
I am.
You're a
He's
cougar. Oh, boy. Apparently, this isn't the boat we're supposed to be in. Yeah. This is as far as they're going? Far from
Yeah, we really did need to go far.
It's fictive characters.
Well, let's just come get off the boat.
I think if you imagine it wasn't you.
Yeah, I really thought we would have gone farther up also. And that we would spend at least an actual 2 hours.
Well, what did you think?
I thought it was a great time.
You hit a home run with this one.
I highly recommend coming on the Oktoberfest fall boat.
They did have some trouble boarding us, but I think they're somehow making up for it with this extra little bit swinging by the Statue of Liberty.
That's a nice way to make things up.
If you want to write us, adventuresover55@gmail.com. Website the same, adventuresover55.com. You want to wrap this episode up? I accept.
Have a great weekend.
It's not something like under the ring. Yeah, that was...
Hope you enjoyed yourself.